Hello guys, once again you're welcome in Practice to Learn. Guys, in today's topic we are learning how we can multiply a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number without using pen or calculator. Guys, we are learning multiplication of any number with another number within seconds. Guys, in the last video I've shown you how we can multiply a 2-digit number with another 2-digit number. Now today's lecture, in today's topic, I'll be showing you how we can multiply any 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. So guys, we'll have to multiply a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. I'll be doing it step by step. This will be done in 5 steps. In the very first step, we'll multiply the number at the ones place with the number at the ones place. In the second step, we will cross multiply the numbers at the tens place with the number at the ones place, this way. Okay, in the very third step, I will be multiplying the number at the hundreds place, this way. It's 1 here. Okay, this would be the third step, and in the fourth step I will be multiplying the numbers like this way. Okay, and in the last step I will be multiplying number at the hundreds place with the number at the number at the hundreds place with the number at the hundreds place. Okay, and I will result this way in all step. In step first I will write here step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. This will be done in step 5 steps. But guys, you will have to watch the full video in order to check, because there is this is the simplest question. There are questions bigger than that, just like there are questions in which we have bigger numbers. This was the easiest number where we'll have to take the carry. So for these reasons you will have to watch the full video, so that just like we have a number 497281, how we can multiply that number. Okay, because we will have to take the carry in the questions like that. So for these reasons we will have to watch the full video so that you can understand the concept behind the multiplication without using pen and calculator. Okay, do it on calculator. Okay, if we'll multiply 3 to 1 with 1 to 1, you can check the result right here. It's 38841 on calculator. Okay, now without using calculator, how we can do it, I'll be showing you that right here. Just like we have 3 to 1 and 1 to 1, we'll be doing it step by step. In the very first step, I'll write step first right here. Okay, we will have to multiply the number at the ones place with the number at the ones place. Okay, both the numbers are at the ones place. We will multiply 1 into 1. Okay, the result is 1. Okay, the result is 1. We will have to write the result at the ones place. That is the result would be right here. Okay, I will write 1 here. Now I will erase this. This is the first step. Okay, in the second step what I will do is I will cross multiply the number at the tens digit. Okay, and the number at the I will cross multiply right like this way. Okay, just like 2 multiply with 1 and 1 multiply with 2. Okay, I will check the result. 2 into 1, I will add it to 1 into 2. Okay, that is 2 into 1 is equal to plus 1 into 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. I will write it at the tens place. Okay, now I'll be erasing this and this as well. Okay, in the third step I'll be writing step number 3 right here. We will have to cross multiply 3 with 1, 1 with 1 and 2 with 2, this way. Okay, I'll be showing it with the arrows. Okay, so 3 into 1, we will add it 2 into 2, 2 into 2, we'll add it with 1 into 1. Okay, all the cross multiplications. So the result would be 3 plus 4 plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 3 plus 4 plus 1, that is 8. Okay, so I'll be erasing this. The result we got in step number 3 is 8. Okay, and the result I will write that at hundreds place. That was step number 3. Now step number 4. In step number 4, we'll have to cross multiply the number at the hundreds place with the number at the tens place like this way. okay, and the number at the tens place with the number at the hundreds place. So the result would be 3 into 2, 3 into 2. We'll add that with 2 into 1, 2 into 1, okay. So we got 3 into 2 is equal to 6 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2. The result would be 8, okay. So I'll write 8 right here, and I'll be erasing this step number 4. And the last step, in last step what I'll do is I'll multiply the number at the hundreds place with the number at the hundreds place. That is 3 into 1 is equal to 3. I will directly write that result right here. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So this is our answer. This is 38841. I'll be checking it with the result with the calculator, okay. So here we have calculator. We have 3 to 1 here. 3 to 1 into 1 to 1, that is 38841. So guys, here I'll be showing you how we can multiply bigger numbers, okay. So you will have to keep watching so that you can learn how to take carry in the questions when you have bigger numbers. Just like here we have 497, we'll have to multiply it with 281. The first step, we multiply 7 with 1. In the first step we get 7 into 1, as 7 ones are 7. So we write here at the ones place 7, okay. In the second step I'll be erasing this. Now guys, in step number 2, in step 2 we multiply 9 with 1 and 7 with 8 this way, okay. 9 ones are 9, we add that with 7 eights are 56, okay. So 9 plus 56 equals to 65. Here we got 65. We cannot write 65 as 65 at tens place. We will only write 5, okay. We will only write 5. We will take 6 as carry. I will write 6 right here, okay. So in step 2 I'll be erasing step number 2. Here we got 6 as carry. So guys, in step number 3 we multiply 4 with 1, we multiply 7 with 2, and then we add to the result 9 into 7. So here is what we get. 4 into 1 is equals to 4. We add that to 9 into 8, 9 8s are 72, plus 7 into 2, 7 2s are 14. This is what we got, 14 right here, okay. 1 4. Now we will have to add this 72, 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. 70 plus 20, 70 plus 20 is equal to 90. 90 plus the number right here, that was carry, that is 96. 96 is the result, because we got 90 by adding all these three numbers, and then we add 6 to the result. That is, we got 90 plus 6 is equal to 96. In 96 we'll write only 6 right here, and 9 would be carry, okay. So in step number 3 we got 9 as carry. I will write that right here, okay, and I'll be erasing this as well. And in step number 4, we'll be multiplying 4 with 8 and 9 with 2. So we got 4 8s are 32, and 9 2s are 18. 32 plus 18 is equal to 50, okay. 50 plus the 1 plus 9 carry right here, okay, that is 59. So in 59 is the result in fourth step. We'll write 9 right here, okay, and 5 would be carry. So let me erase this. We wrote 9 and 5 is the carry. I'll write 5 right here, okay. And in the last step is we multiply 4 with 2, okay. 4 2s are 8. That's 8. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So here is the result. 1 3 9 6 5 7. This is what we got. Okay. So guys, let me check this on calculator. We have 497 into 81. 497. We have 497 multiply with 281. We got 1 3. Here it is. 139657. So here we have 139657. This is the result. Guys, this was enough for today. I hope you have got today's lecture. Before leaving, do subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. I'll be coming for you with new topics related to the easy maths and other computer related stuff as well. Okay, thank you for watching.